Hi all, this is the ZTE U30 Air 5G mobile hotspot / portable Wi-Fi or MiFi router. It is a dual band router which takes a SIM card. You can either set it to 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. It supports both frequencies, and it is said to be unlocked to any network, so you can put any SIM card in it. The type of SIM card it takes is a standard SIM card cut down to nano SIM card size, and it just simply slots into the SIM card tray. And I've had this portable Wi-Fi / Wi-Fi router with ZTE U30 Air for about 2 or 3 months now, and I have had zero problems with it. I'm very happy with this device. It gets quite good speeds, download and upload speeds on the free network, which I have a data only SIM card for, and I've had download speeds of up to over 500 megabit a second using this device. I'm on the first floor in the building, but when I was in the basement room, it was struggling to get much over 100 megabit, but that was obviously down to being stuck in a basement room, and the signal was poor. It was only getting 1 or 2 bars, but in this room the signal strength is 3 to 4 bars out of 5, which is good. There are 2 buttons on the top right hand side. The top button, the second button down, is the power button, so when you want to switch the device on, hold the second button down in for about 3 seconds and the device will power up. The lights will come on, the LEDs I should say, and they'll blink on and off a few times whilst the device initializes. The top button on the right hand side is apparently, I've not tried it yet, to switch the device between 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz wireless network frequencies. As I said, I haven't tried this yet. I just keep the device at default, which is 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi frequency. And yeah, it's quite a sleek looking device, I think. Quite nice. It looks quite aesthetically pleasing for portable Wi-Fi router, I mean. It's not bad. The LED signal, top LED is the battery percentage. Like when it's blue, it's medium battery. When it's red, the battery's low, and when it's white, the battery's got a lot of charge. The second light down is the Wi-Fi, I should say, signal, whether Wi-Fi is enabled or not, and as you can see it's white, it is enabled. And the bottom LED is the mobile network signal. When it's white, the signal's good and it'll get 5G. When it's blue, the mobile carrier will only operate in 4G mode, and I think, I've not had it in 3G mode ever before, but I think it will go red when this device is only operating in 3G mode. But you won't want it in 3G mode, you'd want it in 5G mode, preferably 5G mode anyway. But 4G mode will still work fairly fast, but obviously not as fast as the 5G will. So yeah, not bad at all. I'll run a speed test on it. It's the middle of the day now, so I don't know what it will get, but we'll see. I'll go to speedtest.net. Yeah, speedtest.net. I'll run the download speed. It's getting well over 200 megabit. This is the middle of the day. so the network 3 is going to be busy at this time, so the contention will be high, so it will get slower than it does in the middle of the night. 284 megabit, nearly 285 megabit a second download rate at 3:36 PM. So yeah, it's not bad, gets quite good speeds. It only costs about 70, or I paid about £70 for the device, but now I've noticed it has gone up to about 80 or 90 or even 100 or just over £100 on most websites. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you have any comments you wish to make, please don't hesitate in commenting on the video, and please consider at least subscribing to my channel if you wish to see more videos based on technology or computer or technology items, and it will be much appreciated. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.